Today I'm in front of the wood cabin that we built last month. It's a little cabin that I wanted to build on my farm in order to have a place that was more natural in the forest and that really felt like something that we built from the material here on the farm. And today I want to talk a little bit about what happened with the cabin with termites and how we overcame it. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha. I work to be self-sufficient, grow my own food, and live off the land. And behind me here is the cabin, which we built with wood from the farm. The only thing I bought was 2 windows. There's one there and then one on the side. And I did buy a little bit of plastic right above for part of the roof. And although we used bamboo for the roof, I wanted a little bit more protection from the rain, so I did buy the plastic. And that has worked, but unfortunately, a couple of weeks in, there were termites, and I noticed that some of the things that we could have done differently that probably would have helped us. The first thing is, I'm going to take you around here. The cabin was built really, really close to the ground, and when you are building something out of wood, you want some type of foundation that's not wood. And that we didn't do. So that's one thing that I wish we had done differently. Now, the other thing is where I wanted the cabin is in a, as you can see, it's a little bit more forested than other parts of my farm. And I wanted it there because I wanted the breeze. I wanted the feel of being in the forest. But unfortunately, termites like moist, and they like where it's not too sunny. So I guess that is one of the flip side of building it here. So how we protected it. One day we just came and I noticed that there were termites, and there was an infestation. So what I try to do first is use anything more organic and or anything from the farm that we can use. And unfortunately, because the infestation was large, I had to do something quick. So I had to buy a chemical that I don't like to use on my farm. But in this case, I had to use it in just one area where there was the termite infestation. And this is the chemical, and all I did was I sprayed it, and I'm going to spray it again just to make sure. You want to use a mask here. That's why I have my mask. This exactly where the termites were. But I also wanted to continue using the natural things that I believe in, things that I can grow here on the farm, or natural things that I can purchase instead of using chemicals. And that's what I did to treat the rest of the cabin that didn't have the infestation. So one thing that you can use is my mask here, because I was spraying, but let me take this off here. The other would be neem oil. If you don't have neem trees and using the leaves, you can just buy a bottle of pure neem oil. I have a bottle here, and that's what I used to spray the rest of the cabin. And neem is a really good repellent, so let's see how that works. And other things that you can do to repel the termites would be having things around the area that will repel them, like maybe growing garlic. You can grow cinnamon is something else that can be used besides garlic. And There's a few other things. But neem, garlic, and cinnamon will also help repel them. So next, I don't know if people like me want to build a log cabin, but it was one of my dreams to have a place that was in nature, that was built in nature, that I could go to and just meditate or pray and feel the breeze. But I just didn't want termites. So that's how right now I'm protecting it. I am going to finish the inside, and I will show you the inside of the cabin next, in the next video. But right now, it's just a one-room cabin, and I am, we're finishing up the shower. I wanted an outdoor shower, so I can show you that here. Here's my outdoor shower. We need to get more rocks, and yeah. And here we used, again, bamboo and plumbing pipes. But it's so nice to be able to use water and shower in nature. So, yeah, that's what so far. So I will keep you noted on how things work out with the termite treatment. But again, try to use as much natural as possible. And when you can't, you have to use something with more chemicals, make sure you protect yourself.